In this video, we show how to install an insulation jacket onto a spectrum wave ultrasonic water meter. You will need foam window sealing strip, large size, available from any hardware store. Cut the strip to a length of 18.5 inches. Remove the backing tape to expose the adhesive. Apply the tape about ½ an inch below the top of the label that's on the side of the meter, starting in the middle of one of the longer sides. At each corner, leave a little slack and pinch it into a pointy shape. Once the tape is installed all around the meter, insert the meter carefully into one half of the insulation jacket with the foam tape fitting into the rectangular cutout at the top. Install the second half of the jacket. Check that the foam tape closes the gap around the meter. Finally, install the Velcro straps to hold the jacket closed.